To know your customer feature is a friendly gesture from our part to serve you better. For this, you need to log into your account using your registered email ID and password. Click on Profile situated on the top right portion of the page. Click on Start your KYC process. Accordingly, type in your first name, your last name, your residential address, select the country you live in from the drop-down list. Under the ID document portion, type in your passport ID, upload the front and back pages of your passport. For your proof of residence, you can upload the front and back sides of your electricity bill, your gas bill, your green card, or any other similar document which affirms the address you stated in this form. If you own an Ethereum wallet, type the walker address. If not, you can skip this step. Check all the boxes to accept the terms of use, security policy, privacy statement, and declaration of risk. Click on Submit. With this, your KYC process is completed. You can now receive your Trading Quest rewards in a hassle-free manner.